Today we are going to study bias. We have to take square shape material and fold it into two. It will be like triangle. If this is the material, we have to fold this and fold this, and we have to mark half inch or 1 inch. And we have to cut this half inch. If we cut this half inch, we would get 1 inch bias. If we cut this 1 inch, after cutting, we would get 2 inch bias. I'll show you. So I'll show you how to cut half inch. This is 1 inch bias. Show you 1 inch bias. Fold this. This is 2 inch bias. This is 1 inch bias, and this is 2 inch bias. Bias facing. There. And this is one method. Second method is this. First method is we have to keep it like this and stitch this . Stitch this and we have to turn it. Come like this. The second method is have to cut this, and this side is straight. We have to take 2 bias and cut the corners. Both should be straight, and you have to keep like this. And you have to stitch a triangle like this. You have to stitch this and turn this like this. Now I'm going to show you how to fold the bias like this. In previous video I showed you how to finish the neckline with bias. We had to fold it into 2 and place it on the neck and stitch the corners, and you have to turn like this. You have to turn like this, not full, the half. You have to turn like this, and you have to fold it like this. If this is the neck, and this also should be stitched like this. Both the corners should be stitched, and you have to turn this like this, like this. It should be like this, and fold it again, and you have to stitch this. It will be so neat when you stitch like this. There is another way of folding bias. This is 1 inch bias, and you have to fold it like this, and middle you have to fold like this. It should be neat. You have to iron it. You're not doing it neat like this, and you have to place it in the material. This is the material. This is the material. You have to open this one, keep it like this, and fold it, and you have to keep this in the material, and you have to stitch this corner like this. It will be neat and stunning stitches. You have to be careful with the stitches when you're stitching. Please leave me the comments after you're trying on a material. Give me your feedback. Thank you.